Let's learn how to speed up or fast forward a part of a video in CapCut. If you want to speed up a specific part of a video but don't know how to do it, don't worry anymore. After watching this video, you will know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the CapCut app on your phone. Once you open CapCut, you'll be on the home screen with several options. On that screen, you need to click on the New Project option. After clicking that, a screen will open where you need to select a video. Once you select the video, click on the Add option located at the bottom right corner of the screen. After adding the video, a screen will open where you can edit the video. On that screen, you need to click on the video down in the timeline. After clicking on the video, you need to split it so that you have a separate part that you want to speed up. To split the video at the desired point, move the white line to the location where you want to make the split. After moving the line, click on the Split option located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now, after splitting it, select the part you split. Once selected, click on the Speed option located at the bottom left. When you click on that option, 3 options will appear. From those 3 options, you need to click on the Normal option. Once you click on that option, you will have an adjuster to set the speed. Adjust the speed to how fast you want the video to be, and when you're done, click on the Done option at the bottom right. That's it. You have successfully sped up your video in CapCut. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.